How are we doing? Hello, everybody. Let's fucking go. Flo, how's the monkey doing, guys? Did you just call me a monkey? What the fuck? I wanna go over the new series that we have started today. Some of you might have seen it already. And yeah, then we can actually also talk about the giveaways that might come up in the foreseeable future. Yeah, BlackRock kind of, how do I say, they are slowing down their buying, selling of Bitcoin. We were talking about the overall bear market yesterday, or like me and JMC, and we were thinking, like, when the real bear market kicks in, how bad is it going to get? Because eventually you're going to see people getting liquidated, entities getting liquidated. There's a bunch of things most likely going to happen because we haven't seen anything yet. We haven't seen anything about MicroStrategy. We haven't seen anything about Stretch. If you look at this, Stretch, this looks really bad. Damn! No fucking way! We have 5 gift subs? Damn! Sheesh! Okay. Max powers with the 5 gifted. Hey, I wasn't expecting any of that until, like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 months when this really starts to kick in. Hey, I like it. Thanks a lot. Just look at this chart. Starting when the ETF was finally approved in 2024 September, and ever since they had green returns, they had like huge profits, but now they're starting to have like huge drawdown, and they are already, if you look at this, they are starting to sell their Bitcoin. So just think about what's going to happen if this just does another push to the downside. I mean, all of this move was already spot driven, and we saw that MicroStrategy, but we saw that BlackRock was depositing every single day into Coinbase. They were selling. There was huge spot selling. So imagine what's going to happen if they have to continue to sell their Bitcoin. Or they just do. I mean, I'm not sure if they have to, but they just want to, because they're pushing price lower and they can buy much more down here because people are starting to get liquidated. Okay, let's just walk over the charts. I mean, yesterday JMC was streaming, and yeah, we were talking about this might be a short. It pushed a little higher, but nothing too crazy in my opinion. It was, yeah, the pre-FOMC move. There were many longs opening on this way up, and they all got baited here. And this was one of the cleanest swing fails in a while. And look at this VWAP. And well, yeah, then the numbers came out. I mean, on the lower time frames, you had this huge candle to the downside. It retraced it completely, and then the move came. So bait move, got retraced. So everyone that got in here and got baited in just got stopped out on this candle. And then the real move happened. But I feel like this FOMC move was not the same compared to the previous ones, because you did not have the clear bait move. If this candle happened at 8 o'clock, European time, so when the number was announced, then I would have said classic FOMC move. Swing failing all the highs and then dropping. So this one was a little bit different. Nevertheless, I mean, if you look at Market Cipher, you had a really clear indication of further bearish momentum. And this is what it's doing right now. I mean, did not really retrace any of the FOMC candles. It just retested this, turned it into resistance. And for now, we are at the trend line, just waiting. I mean, I would not be too surprised if this is being retested and continuing further down, especially since you have all the weekend lows untouched and many people longed the weekend and the news move. So you do definitely have potential to clear all of that. And honestly, I would be really cautious with trying to long any of that, because if this thing starts to hunt the longs, well, then you're looking at a most likely major move to the downside once again. This is also one thing to consider. Our beautiful support and resistance zone got clearly turned into resistance right here. You have a potential red dot. You have, wait, let me, like this. You have the potential downwards curving money flow. But now you're in this indecisive situation because the daily is bearish, but the 4 hour, 3 hour, they are giving those clear bull signs. I mean, 3 hour green dot money flow in the green and split RSIs. Those things are not looking too bearish. So it's the same as yesterday. In my opinion, you still have some indecisive stuff, but you cannot disregard that you have bearish structure, and you're starting to even turn the bullish structure into bearish structure once you are breaking this low. Now we finally have the breakout. Let's go on some lower time frame and see if there is a clean retest. But look at it going a little bit back up, and they are going to open again. Every single fucking time. I told you they would reopen. Every single time. If this holds and makes a lower low, sheesh. I mean, holy fuck, look at this. What I am very happy about is that this happened on stream. Look at the candle closes. So now I'm starting to look at this, and I'm gonna wait what happens with all the weekend longs. Oh shit. Oh shit! It's dropping! Longs not even closing. Yeah. But I mean, 3k shorts, really? TP hit challenge account at 695, so we are at 700. Holy shit, this is really fucking good. Do not copy trade us, even though we mentioned the idea of a possible short here. Remember what we looked at with the boxes, and depending on how all of it is going to look up here, if it gets up here, then you're able to reshort or just let it do its thing. Sometimes it's better to just wait and let some more data come in than just to FOMO in because you heard a level. So I don't want to be responsible for anyone losing the trade tomorrow or over the night because he blindly shorted here, but it just did not look good for a short and just kept going up. So manage your risk, be aware of everything that we talked about. Thanks a lot to everyone hopping in the stream. Thanks a lot to Max Pause for gifting the first 5 subs to the stream. You're officially the first legend in the stream. No doubt about that. So to everyone, have a great night, have a great evening. I'm gonna restart the stream to look at the data. You can too. And until then, have a nice evening. Peace.